Chelsea could do with someone reliable in their struggling team, and fans are devastated to see one former star is still tearing it up elsewhere. Club legend N'Golo Kante rolled back the years with a sublime diving header for current side Al Ittihad on Friday.
The 32-year-old midfielder was doing everything he could to make his way into the box and get on the end of a whipped cross from Zakaria Horsawi. Kante was arriving at the back post when he threw himself through the air at the ball and fired it past Al Hilal goalkeeper Yassine Bono.
Although a personal moment to remember for the World Cup winner, the game was ultimately one to forget for Al Ittihad. Kante's header was their only goal of the clash as they went on to lose the game 3-1 to the league leaders.
Read more in FOOTBALLPOWER up. Get £40 in free football bet builder bets when you stake £10 with Paddy Power. Graham Potter meets with Man Utd's incoming sporting director. Al Ittihad, home of Fabinho and Karim Benzema, are now languishing in 5th place in the Saudi Pro League table and are some 25 points off top spot. Chelsea fans were still in awe of the individual brilliance they saw from Kante despite being on the receiving end of a loss, and took to social media to call for their former star to return to Stamford Bridge.
One fan wrote, "Wish we still had him," while another added, "Old but gold." Most read in football: keeper shock Liverpool title blow as Klopp confirms Alisson has serious injury. Graham Potter meets with Man Utd's incoming sporting director. Grass is greener. Mason Greenwood believes a return to Man United could save parents' marriage. Cal on me. Coventry Ace O'Hare ready to seal Prem transfer after snubbing contract offer. Best free bet sign-up offers for UK bookmakers. A third chimed in writing, "I wish the board could just bring him back, even if it's for 2 seasons. We need him and we really miss him." And a fourth was aggrieved that Chelsea had allowed Kante to leave the club in the first place, writing, "And we let him go." Inside Chelsea flop Matej Kezman's amazing mountain resort in Serbia. The Blues have invested heavily since the Frenchman swapped London for the Middle East in a free transfer last summer.
That includes the acquisition of replacement Moses Caicedo in a British record £115 million deal from Brighton. But despite owner Todd Boehly dropping huge amounts of money on incoming signings, Chelsea have failed to live up to the expectations set by the big-name players littered around their team this season.
The West Londoners were labelled as the Blue Billion-Pound Bottle Jobs by Gary Neville when they lost to a youthful Liverpool team in the Carabao Cup final last weekend. And Mauricio Pochettino's side are struggling in the league too, as they currently sit in the bottom half of the table with 10 league defeats this season already.